Hi everyone, I have a large Dollar Tree haul to share with you guys. So let me start off with the little bunny Nomi homies. I did not find these, my brother's girlfriend did, and she was nice enough to go ahead and pick one of each up for me because I did tell her I was looking for these. So I'm very thankful that she was able to find them and grab me the full set. And then going with the little Nomies here, I got a pink little Easter basket for my mom. And then I got the blue one for me and Sunny. So there are two in here, one for him and one for me. And then inside, I got another one of these rotary cutters. I had bought one before and I have no idea what I did with it. So I want to put this with my tool case because since organizing, I've made like a little box for all my little stuff like this. So I want to stick that in there. And then I want to host a Halloween swap. And I think it was Sherry Jones that used these bags from Dollar Tree and decorated them to put her swap in. And I loved it. So I did get 3 of those. And then I got one in gray. And then they had this new popcorn that is cake batter from Cold Stones. So I thought I would go ahead and try that out. I did get the little Nomi homies right here that are little wall hangers. So it came in blue, purple, and then there was a pink. But I don't like pink, so I didn't get the pink one. I only got these 2. I kind of wish they would have had a yellow. I tend to do a lot of yellow and blue for Easter. So a yellow one would have been really nice. And it just has the little bunny ears right here, the little hat, the little pom-pom, and his little beard. I was thinking that I should have got more of these because I'm like, I could probably cover this and like black ribbon or something and then do like a Halloween one. I think would be really cute. So I might pick up a couple more of these if I happen to see them the next time I go back. Yeah, I don't have time to go back today, so I don't know. If I find them, I'll probably pick up another one. But wouldn't that be so fun to go ahead and take these and alter them? You know, I'm sure you could take these ears off, or like I said, cover it with some ribbon or some fabric and then do different themes. Oh my gosh, a birthday one would be so cute. See, yeah, I need more of these. I would love to have like a little birthday, get some birthday ribbon or some birthday paper, cover the top right here. That'd be so cute. I would love to do different themes. And I love dinosaurs, so I got these little eggs. I feel like they're expensive. $1.25 for just 4 eggs. I feel like that is so expensive, but I love dinosaurs, so I really wanted to go ahead and get those. And then I got some Easter Mike and Ikes for Sunny. I got an Airhead for my nephew. I got a Sour Extreme for my other nephew. I got M&M's for Sunny. See, this stuff I feel like is not worth $1.25. It's not. You know, I wish that Dollar Tree was priced more reasonably because, like, this stuff is not worth $1.25, you know. But I went to Walmart and I couldn't find these at Walmart. That's why I caved in and I got them at Dollar Tree because I didn't want to miss out for the kids because I always get them those specific candies every year. So, yeah, I gave in there. Let's see. I got some Easter towels. I'm going to have my mom crochet the top right here to little handles. So it has a little Easter bunny on both sides of that one. And then this one is Easter eggs. So I got that one. And then I found some more. This one is gorgeous. Look at how beautiful this is. So these are just stunning. I love these. See, I love the yellow. For Easter, the yellow, blue, and purple, I use that a lot. So I loved these. So I got 3 of those, I think. And I got this one. Y'all know how much I love my old trucks. And then with the little eggs in the back and the little florals. I think it's beautiful. And I love that it's in a gray and not a pink. Oh, so thankful that they did that. So yes, these are beautiful. I can't wait to have her go ahead and crochet these for me. And then I can have a couple for some like Happy Mail. Let's see, I got a ton of candy this trip. I got, oh no, is this open? Oh, I didn't even notice. Gross. Well, I got the Junior Mints for my niece. And then I got her some dots as well for her basket. And I got some little berries that I'll probably just have us try, just like taste test those. Then they had some sequins, which I thought was really, really cool. So this top one has little chickies. And then the next pack has little eggs. And then the next pack says Happy Easter. So I thought that was really cool to find. I want to say there was another design. This one. So this has multicolored little chickies at the top. And then we have some flowers. And then we have some bunnies. And I must have another one of these in the bag somewhere. Let's see. Oh, I got this pack right here. So this has Easter eggs at the top, Easter bunnies in the middle, and then flowers at the bottom. And they are a different type of flower from the other pack. And what else did I get? So there's those. So this is with the chicks. So I wonder if I got more eggs somewhere. I guess I didn't. Did I only get one of those? Oh, what a bummer. I thought I had got more, but I guess not. I guess I ended up grabbing more of these thinking of the same thing. Let's see. These are so cute. Look at how tiny these are. They are little spatulas. So I like using these when I'm hot gluing. I'll use a spatula to, like, you know, I'll hot glue and then use this to hold it down. And since it's a silicone, it won't stick to the hot glue. So I thought these were super cute. So there's an egg and the little bunny. There's a bunny here, and then just a little like saying one in the back. So I thought those were really cute. So I'm going to keep one and then pass the rest along. Let's see, I got some more Easter candies for the kids. These jars, I can never have enough of these. I like putting sequins in here, so I got another set while they had those. These are for Sunny. I had got these to put with my Valentine's Day stash because they're not always available. And then I found one happy birthday, and I wish I could have found more because I definitely want to do more like YouTube challenges. So they always seem to be a lot of happy birthday ones. So I hope I can find some more of those. That's just another set of those. Then I found these little chickies right here. They are salt and pepper shakers. But again, I was thinking for like shadow boxes. And these are pretty good size little salt and pepper shaker. Let me move all this stuff out of the way. Okay, so this next bag, here are the Dollar Tree little carrot eggs. Now you get 2 for the $1.25, or if you have a 99-cent only store, this is the one that you get from there, and you get 3. So they are the same like design, but let me show you the size difference here. So these are bigger, but you get more here and it's cheaper. So I don't know, I feel like I prefer the ones from the 99-cent store. I just think that the size is nice and you get that extra one and it's a little bit cheaper. So I don't know, I feel like it's kind of the better bargain there. Let me turn them sideways so you can get it all in the frame. Let's see. So let's line these up. So there is the size difference right there. Like I said, I think I like this one for like embellishments and stuff, but it's just personal preference. So like I said, that was from Dollar Tree. And then I got these beautiful eggs. Again, I think these are too expensive for $1.25. But I just thought they were really, really beautiful that I wanted to get them for the kids. So I got those. And then they had these blue butterfly towels that I just love. I think they are gorgeous. And then I got myself a little truck because I love dinosaurs. So there was this little Hot Wheels, little monster truck. So I got that for myself. I'm going to put that up on the shelf. And then my mom likes these little candies. So I got those for her. Let's see. They had these carrots. These are 4 to a pack. I remember last year I wanted some of these. By the time I wanted them, they were all gone. So I made sure that I got 3 packs this time. So that way I would not run out. And they were just loaded with towels. I got these towels with the yellow and blue flowers. I think are gorgeous. I got a little Gnomie Homie socks, which I'm really excited about. Let's see. Oh, I got Sunny. These are coffee little peeps. So we're going to taste test those. And I just got the little zigzag stickers. I have some somewhere. I just don't know where they're at. So I picked up another one. They had these candy containers. Oh my gosh, absolutely gorgeous. Apparently there were blue ones too, but by the time I got there, they were gone. So I ended up with this purple one. And I did get a pink one. And then I got the matching little serving spoon stuff. So all the blue was gone. But yeah, the lady told me like, oh, you missed the blue. Apparently they like pulled them out like 2 days ago. So somebody wiped out all the blue already. And then let me see if I can grab it. Hold on one sec. So with these little containers, my bestie Laura V Crafty, she made me this like little birthday cake, which I just love. And then she used blue flower paper, which I love. So you see here is the little stand. So I thought that was really cool. So I'm going to go ahead and try my hand at recreating one of these using these colored ones. So yeah, this just has a little top to it right here. And then you can put your little goodies inside of there. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead and try to go ahead and recreate what she made and make my own. And then I got these. I thought these were cool little like party shot glasses. So I was thinking, again, if I do any birthday challenges, I could go ahead and wire wrap some beads and then stick them in here and then, you know, put it in like a little bag. I thought that would be really cute. And since I had not seen them before with the little polka dots, I got 2 and you get 10 to a pack. And then I got these stickers that I love. Like these are my colors right here. These like darker colors are totally my style. So I grabbed 2 of those while they had those. And then I got one of these little mint ones because I'm going to send it to my crafty bestie Laura. Because I know she likes mint. Is her favorite color. So I got that. And did I show these? I don't remember if I showed these. So I was lucky enough to find the little soaps of the chickie and the bunny. So I got those. And I think that's it that I got from this Dollar Tree shopping spree today. So thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you guys are having a wonderful day and we'll see you later. Bye guys.